guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have come up with more research on the IELTS speaking test topics, which is for part 2 now in this video. Since all of you requested me to cover part 2, wherein you get a card and you have to speak for continuously 2 minutes, I will be covering those topics in this video. Now the pattern of this video is that I will be covering the topics at the same time, suggesting ways to deal with it or suggesting the answers in that case. So let's get started. Starting with my question, I was asked, who's my singing idol? Why do I like her? And what kind of music I like hearing? And why do I like her? So my answer was that I mentioned about the singer. I mentioned about the platform where I listen to her music. I talked about her personality, specifically why I like that, why I admire that singer, and also spoke about the journey of that singer that inspires me. So for every set of questions, I have an equal and valid answer to give and elaborate it in a way of a story. Now question 2, discuss about an instance where you and your friend disagreed. What was the topic and how did you resolve the disagreement? Now in this part, you can talk about your friend, the kind of relation you have with a friend, whether this was the first time you guys disagreed or it keeps happening. What was the topic of disagreement? Try to elaborate this topic more. And thirdly, try to share how you resolve that conflict or the disagreement, whether you initiated or she apologized or you both formed a common answer for that. So you have to mention all these things. A little uncommon question, but this is the third question, that what is the kind of equipment at your home that is really important to you? Why is it so important? Do you use it regularly or once in a blue moon? Now this is an uncommon question, but then the answer will be that you have to pick any equipment. It could be related to cleanliness or technology. For example, a vacuum cleaner, a grinder, or say a printer in that case. So pick up any equipment at your home. Try to describe why is it important to you. What purpose it is solving at your home. And if that equipment is not there, is there any other substitute that you have? And then talk about the frequency of its usage, whether it is a kind of you have a daily usage of that equipment or it is used once in a while. Also, you can elaborate further how to continue till 2 minutes. Say that your family also needs it. If it is not there, then your family will also in one or the other way suffer because the equipment isn't there. Or you can also mention that equipment is really important to you because it was expensive, or you bought it from some other place that is very uncommon, that is not in your city. So however you plan it, but just keep in mind that you have to plan a story around it. So like you are gossiping with a friend, you have to say the answer like that. This is simple, but you have to tell. The question goes around, what kind of movie do you like the most? Do you like watching movies? Which was the last movie that you saw? Now this is about preference, okay? So you can talk about your likes. Yes, you have to start the answer with a positive statement that yes, I like watching movies, and then talk about the kind of movie that you like. It could be Bollywood, Hollywood, comedy, romance, science, sci-fi, or any other kind of genre. Then you move to the part where you have to answer the frequency, in which you watch movies. Whether you watch movies at OTT platforms or you prefer going to cinema. Also mention the last movie that you saw and why you liked it. So just construct a script. This question is for the animal lovers. The question is, have you ever had a pet? And what was the relationship that you shared with the pet? And did you take care of your pet, or was it the responsibility of our family members? If you never had a pet, then also say yes, I had a pet. And then just talk about it, a kind of relationship a person and a pet will share. Just talk about that. Say that you used to feed the animal, as well as your family members used to take care about it. You used to take your pet on walk every day. and you shared a good bond. You know, if the pet is no longer with you, you can say that I still miss the presence of my pet. So try to bring an emotional touch to your conversation so that it makes it feel, you know, more authentic and more real. The last question I'm picking in this video is, any good news that you have heard recently? Why was it really important to you? What impact did it create on you and your family? So now here you can pick any good news that you had recently in your life related to your career, related to your friends, your personal life, your relationships, family, any sort of good news. Try to then talk about, you know, the importance, why you have been waiting for the news. You can say that it has come after a long time of waiting, and then mention about, you know, how it has impacted you and your family in a good way. Also talk about the members that are included in that news and how they have a relevance or a connection with you in your life. Guys, see, in this 1 minute, you have a very bonus time where you can actually prepare points. So if you're weak in English, or even if you're strong in English in that case, do make pointers. You never know, while you are speaking, you may miss on some point, or you do not have any pointers coming up in your head. Then you can have a look at the paper. But the objective is not that you need to cover all the points. It is for that moment where you are unable to speak further and the time is still left. So it will have a negative marking if you do not speak anything. Do not let the examiner question you again. So create pointers, create what is coming to your mind. If you feel that you are not good in English communication, try to write it in brief so that while you are saying, you can just see and then speak out that point. So do that, practice it according to your own level, and you will sail through. And these are the set of questions. Please, write to me whenever you need my help. Write to me at akriti.bhalla10@gmail.com, and see you in more videos.